Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today in this video lecture I will discuss you about the maxillary major connectors. There are 6 basic types of maxillary major connectors considered. Number 1, single palatal bar. Viewers, below the picture you can see the single palatal bar. Number 2, single palatal strap. That picture show the single palatal strap. Number 3, U-shaped palatal connector. That picture show the U-shaped palatal connector. Number 4, anterior posterior palatal bar. Number 5, combination of anterior and posterior palatal strap type connector. Here the picture of. Number 6, palatal plate type connectors. Viewers, in this picture you can see the palatal plate type connector.